It's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood. They ask me how I'm doing, I say it's nothing, but I can feel it deep inside, I'm hurting. Oh, it's just something I can't explain. Lord, I know you can make this better. Sometimes I feel I can't get better. Show me a way that I'll get better. Will I ever? Help me. It's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up. No medicine is strong enough. Someone help me. I'm crawling in my skin. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood. It isn't in my blood. Lying awake late at night, feeling anxious, using this ease in every hardship. I'm trying to find it, but it feels so weak. Oh, Rabbi, won't you please help me? It's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up. No medicine is strong enough. Someone help me.